Ready for explosive news that'll skyrocket your crypto strategies? Bitcoin's hash rate just hit an all-time high, and the SEC acknowledged Fidelity's groundbreaking Solana ETF. Ethereum's net inflows surged by nearly $1 billion, while Velodrome and Aerodrome drastically reduced their circulating supply. Bullish signals no one saw coming. WisdomTree just dropped tokenized funds across top layer 2 blockchains, and BlackRock's BUIDL fund hit historic dividends. If you're not ahead, you're behind. Stick around. I'll break it all down and show you exactly how these massive developments tie into your financial freedom and the one thing you absolutely need to dominate the DeFi space. Bitcoin's hash rate reaching an all-time high isn't just another headline, it's a signal. Hash rate often precedes price, and this surge could be marking the early innings of Bitcoin's next bull run. But what's really behind it? Trump just declared an economic emergency, applying tariffs and citing severe global trade imbalances. Market uncertainty is through the roof, and Bitcoin, crypto's ultimate safe haven, is primed to benefit. This could mean unprecedented price movements in the months ahead. The SEC has officially acknowledged Fidelity's application for a Solana ETF. This is massive news because it's not just another ETF. It's commodity-based, bringing institutional legitimacy to Solana. With institutions like Fidelity entering the ring, the crypto landscape is shifting rapidly. Missing this trend could cost you dearly. Ethereum's massive inflows of nearly $900 million in a single week underline its growing institutional adoption, with BlackRock's BUIDL fund paying out $25.4 million in dividends, $22.8 million of which were via Ethereum. It's clear Ethereum is becoming the institutional crypto of choice. If you're still on the sidelines, now's your wake-up call. Velodrome slashed circulating supply by 6.7 million tokens, locking more than double the amount emitted. Aerodrome did something similar, removing another million tokens from circulation. Reduced supply, coupled with high demand, means only one thing: price explosions. These are textbook supply shocks, and as an investor, I'm preparing for massive gains in these projects. Not financial advice. WisdomTree just expanded its institutional investment platform to include 13 tokenized funds on Arbitrum, Avalanche, Base, and Optimism. Tokenization of traditional finance is accelerating, and it's redefining how wealth is managed. This trend is irreversible, and early movers will reap outsized rewards. Within just 4 months, Sonic crossed $1 billion in TVL, dominated by leading DeFi platforms like Aave, Silo, and Beats. Fast-moving money is flooding into DeFi ecosystems, showing explosive interest in decentralized yield opportunities. The momentum is unstoppable. USDT supply on Tron just reached $66.72 billion, another record high. This indicates growing reliance on stablecoins amidst global economic instability. Stablecoins are now the backbone of crypto trading. If you're not leveraging them, you're likely losing money. With the financial system shifting dramatically towards decentralized solutions, your chance at true financial freedom is clearer than ever. But understanding the complexity can be overwhelming. That's exactly why I created the ebook, DeFi, Financial Freedom, the Ultimate Beginner's Guide. Priced at just $4.99, this guide simplifies complex DeFi strategies into easy-to-follow steps. From yield farming and staking to mastering security and capitalizing on airdrops, it's your complete roadmap. The best investors stay informed and act fast. Grab your copy now and start mastering DeFi today. Links below in the first pinned comment. Crypto adoption by major financial players like Fidelity, WisdomTree, and BlackRock signals massive mainstream acceptance. Supply shocks in Velodrome and Aerodrome, record stablecoin usage, and Ethereum's institutional validation all indicate a seismic shift. This isn't a bubble, it's a financial revolution. So, what's your next move? Crypto's future is here, unfolding right now. If you're serious about seizing these opportunities, take action immediately. Destroy the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Your engagement helps spread this critical information and, of course, pump your bags. And don't forget to check out my previous video, it's linked somewhere in your screen. See you tomorrow in the next one.